Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the large function to find the highest value or second highest value in a range that you selected. So sometimes you have a large column and you want to know from the column that you select which value is the highest or second highest. And you don't want to scroll down and search through it manually. You want to do this with a function. So how to do that? So first of all, let's create a list here, and then we're going to use a large function to search for that. So I'll just say here, I make a list here random. This is 10, this is 50, this is 14, and this is 25, this is 35, this is 9, and a final value of 19. So you can see here we have only two values that we're going to extract, the highest and the second highest. How to do that? Let's click here on equal, and then we say here large. Open parentheses, and let's select here on the formula builder, and in the formula builder it will ask us for an array. So this is our selected list. So our range will just be the entire column C. So if we will expand the column, this formula will change as well, which is probably something we want to do. Next is the K number. So what's the K number? Basically the number that you want to search. Do we want the highest value or the second highest? So if you want the highest value, you put in number 1. Let's click here on OK. Done. And you can see now our highest value is number 50. If we would change that here to 75, you can see now our highest number is 75. So imagine now instead of 75, you want to get number 50 or let's say 35. This is the third highest, right? So in the number of K, we don't put number 1, but we put number 3. Click done and close this. You can see here now number 35 pops up because this is the third highest value. And if we would have, number 40, you will see that number 40 is becoming the third. Why? We have here 75 is number 1, 50 is number 2, and 40 is number 3. So this is really how you can use the large function to extract values based on your condition. Very easy. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link in the description box. In there we have a wonderful Excel course for free. You have free access to that through my link. And it will help you to improve your Excel skills even more.